Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about the up-down exercise that's part of the arm series on the small barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So the small barrel is just a delicious little gem, just a little piece that's just really nice. It helps support a back bend practice. It also, or teach a back bend practice, or introduce a back bend practice. It also is a really great supportive extension. A lot of times we tend to extend from the wrong parts and we overextend from like our lower back or our neck. The small barrel makes it really nice because you can actually feel what parts of your body are overdoing it, which parts are underdoing it. And when I was creating the flashcard deck for the barrels for OnlinePilatesClasses.com, I wanted to include the small barrel because while it's literally a lot of the same exercises that are on the spine corrector and some on the ladder barrel, and it's like, okay, you can just mimic it over there. I think it's important to have a visual. So you've had that flashcard deck. Thanks for being here. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for supporting us. If you don't, go get it. Go get all of our decks. They're really, really amazing. So typically the up down you would do from transitioning from the circle. So I'm going to show you that transition here. You can also just get into the position and do the up down if you wanted to skip the circles for some reason. Or if you're taking a break, because sometimes being upside down is a little tricky. Now, just in case you didn't see the circles video, if you need to support the neck with a little towel or a tiny, tiny pillow, you can. Sometimes I'll use those sticky pads and roll them up even because we don't want to overly support the neck. We do want to get a nice stretch through here, but I don't want it to feel pinchy. Okay. It should feel really nice. You can hear like I can still talk. Nothing is feeling impeded with my voice, right? So you would finish your last circle and then your arms would be up. One arm is going to go down. One arm is going to go overhead. The down is going to do chest expansion and the up is going to reach up, kind of like you're trying to reach up for your swan or a swimming. And then you switch. You could even call this exercise swimming, right? If you wanted to, it's not the same, but similar. So I'm reaching. It's very easy just to kind of hang off both the front and the back. I'll show you this. Like if we hang off, my shoulder pops off. What I want you to do is really work the shoulders wide on the barrel and reach the arms from the back. And you should feel this around where your shoulder blades meet your lowest rib. You should feel some lats. It's really nice. And then from here, we would transition to hug, which I'll show you in the next video. But if you're really working a swan or a swimming practice, you're struggling with connecting your arms to your back, this is a really great place to practice it. If you have questions about this, let me know. I used light weights, 1 pound, 2 maybe. More than that, and it's just going to feel like too much on that distal lever. So the farther your arm gets away, the harder that's going to be. So I really do challenge people to just stick with a lightweight. It's about feeling that connection, not like doing something crazy hard. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching this. If you have questions, put in the comments below. If you're an OPC member, ask your questions in our members only community. If you're not an OPC member, I do answer your questions live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific, or you can join us at onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube to check us out.